In this video, I will walk you through Google Meet and show you how you can use it step by step. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, in order to access Google Meet, you can visit meet.google.com, or you can also use for Android or iOS. So once you visit the following link, you will land on the following page. Make sure you have already logged in using Gmail. Here you will get two options. The first one is a new meeting button, and if you click on it, you will get three options, which are create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. The next is a form, which asks you to add code or link to meeting to join it. For demo purpose, I have a meeting link which I'll copy and paste it here. Then I'll click join so I can join it. Now let's see how you can create a new meeting. To create a new meeting, click create meeting, then click create a meeting for later. So this way I can create a meeting instantly for later so that I can join it and my audience too. A pop-up will open with the meeting link, which you can save and share with your guests so they can join it. Let's see what's the second option. If we click on new meeting again, there is another option which says start an instant meeting. This means if I click on it, the meeting will be instantly started. Now, there is another option which offers to schedule in Google Calendar. If I click on it, a new form will open. It will ask you to add a title. For demo purpose, I am keeping it team meeting. Then I can choose time of start and time of end of the meeting and a date as well. Then I can adjust the event time zone as well. I can also add a location and the description of the event. I can also adjust the guest permissions, such as I can allow them to modify event, invite others, and see guest list. If you click on add guests, you can add their emails to add them. So I have added for demo purpose. Finally, save, and you can send it or don't send. Now I have sent it. My guests will receive the email invitations in their email. Now let's go back on the Meet page and refresh it. You can see there is a meeting list which I had just created. If I click on it, it will offer me to join it. First, it will ask you to allow camera. So click allow camera and click use camera. Then, if you click on microphone, you can choose your preferred microphone from your device. And similarly, if you click on speaker, you can test your speakers as well. Let's join it. To join, click join now. The meeting has been started. Now there are a bunch of options. Let's walk through them one by one. If you click on this microphone button or icon, you can turn on your audio or turn off. Same for video. You can turn on or off your video. And to share your screen during Google Meet, you can click on this icon. It will offer you to share your current browser, which is Chrome tab or window or entire screen as well. If you click on window, you can share any window as well. Let's choose this and share. Now screen sharing is on. The audience can see my screen. There are emojis as well. You can send in the Google meeting as well. If you click on this hand icon, it will send a raise hand, which shows that you have a question during meeting. So you can use it for any question or query. If you click on the following icon, it will show closed captions for easy understanding. And if you click on three dots, there are a bunch of other options such as adjust view, which is useful, and you can change Google Meet view by clicking adjust view button. There are four options which are auto, tiled, spotlight, or sidebar, and there are small previews on the right side as well. You can also modify each option. If we click again, there are other options such as backgrounds and effects. If I click on it, I can change my background. There are a bunch of options available. I can add a filter to my video as well. And I can also adjust the appearance of my video from appearance section. So let's close this tab. Now to read chat or comments during Google Meet, click on this icon. Here you will find all the chats from your guests in this section. You can also send your message to this chat using send a message option. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.